Warning, live birth. Yep, I think I see a hoof.
It's okay, girl. I know. Baby. Thank you. All right, here you go. Here's your baby. What is it? Look, it's a boy. It's a baby boy. Thanks, pacing out there.
Well, everybody, that's one. I'll come back when we got more. Here it comes.
Hey, buddy. Buddy. Hi, buddy. Sucks. Yeah.
No tails just to go in.
Why?
He's pushing. All right, everybody. So that's 4 babies in one day. Well, actually 6. Unfortunately, 2 of them are stillborn. I don't know if my mic was working back then or not. But 4 healthy ones just today. We still have 3 more girls outside that are due within the next month or so. Unfortunately, this week is really cold, so we got to keep them in here with heat lamps and everything else. I mean, we don't have to, but it is nice for them. They'll be dried off here. I mean, they're almost dry already. You know, soon enough, and then integrate them here shortly. But thanks for watching Life on the Farm, and catch you on the next video.